What if you lose your precious privacy online somehow? It would make your life real bad. Hi, my name is Olivia Park, and I think that the right to be forgotten should be a civil right. My first reason is that when something was your privacy and it gets on online, you might be embarrassed to live. For example, a girl named Ratea was embarrassed about this photo online of her. My second reason is that if a child searches up something online and an embarrassing photo comes out, what would the child learn? For example, the child might search up a regular plain word like to, but then a commercial of a woman wearing a swimsuit comes out. He might or maybe post someone else's embarrassing photo when he grows up. My third reason is that if a person will want to be a president and they have a bad future but they changed over time, then there was a list of bad things that someone posted. Now this person will not become what they want to do. For example, this guy broke a window and stole stuff like money, bags, and etc. But he was in jail and he learned a lesson, so now he's a good guy. Then someone posted a list of things he had done wrong. As a conclusion, this person cannot be what they want to be. This is the reason why I think they should make a law of this.